Number 14 on AP Central, multiple choice question practice on series. So if the partial sum with three terms is used to approximate the value of the convergent series, blank, which we notice is alternating. So underline here, this is alternating. And it also mentions for us to use the alternating series error bound to find what the error is in this series. So we're using the first three terms. If you remember, with alternating series error bound, it's always tied to what the next term would be. So here's where the tricky part of this question was. It was in the index, what the starting index value was. So if we use the first three terms, then your first term would start at n equals 3. That would be a sub 1. Or by 1, I mean that's going to be the first term of this series. And then the next term would be a sub 2 would be your index 4. And then index 5 would give you your third term in this alternating series. So the a sub 1 is just to signify that's my first term, a sub 2 my second term, and a sub 3 my third term. So my error, which I'll do in red, is going to be whatever my fourth term is. And that is tied to my index of 6. Okay, so if I plug it in, my error bound, it's called a bound because this is going to be the maximum, is going to be less than or equal to the absolute value of, and when I take the absolute value, I can drop this alternating piece. So the absolute value will take care of that. And then we have 6 to plug in. So it's tied to the next term that would be left out, which has an index of 6, but is my fourth term. So I would plug 6 in over 2 to the 6th power. So if I simplify this, it's 6 over 64 or 3 over 32.